Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check your weekly reports in the MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then here just look for the My Weekly Report button and wait until it's loading. And as you can see here, you can find this week's report. So you can check calories, frequently logged foods, and all the other important data like exercises and steps. And yeah, you can just check your progress here very easily. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.